Hi Fit Fam, welcome to Tips from Stella Fitness and day one of our April Fit Body Challenge. Just continue marching in sport with me so that we warm up our bodies, preparing the heart and the muscles for this workout. If you're new, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. If you're returning, I am very happy to be having you. By the end of this challenge, I promise you that your body will be fit for health, and not only this, but you will lose all those extra calories you do not want in the name of fat, and you are going to be toned up. So just continue marching in sport. Make sure that you are hydrated and energized for this workout. It's going to be short but quite intense, and we are going to be beginning with jumping jacks. 30 seconds of jumping jacks. Keep breathing, abs towards the spine. Keep going, feeling good about yourself, feeling that heart rate up already. I believe you will begin sweating as well. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Feeling good about yourself, feeling all that fat crying, and we are going to be getting into butt kicks. 30 seconds of butt kicks, guys. Keep going. I told you this is going to be short but intense. We are going to be moving on to jump rope, beginning now. Don't slow down, don't stop, keep going. Five more seconds and we shall be getting into modified burpees. We shall do 30 seconds of this. So I will time with my phone over here. So just get into position. You want to squat down and reach out, come back and jump. Pulling in those abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. Jumping to as high as you can get. Keep going, one more. And there goes our alarm. Moving on to lateral lunges with cross arms. So you want to lunge and back, beginning with the right leg, focusing on 10 of these. Lunge and back, lunge. Give me one more. Cross and back, and the other side. You want to lunge and back and back. Keep going. Give me two more. And one more. And get back. So just get a short breather, a short relaxer. You can grab some water quick, and we are going to be beginning this set just about now, beginning with the jumping jacks. 30 seconds of these jumping jacks. Keep going, feeling your heart rate up high, feeling that fat crying. And we are going to get into the butt kicks. going. Don't slow down. We are going to be getting into the jump rope in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, there was an insect on my face. Keep going. Don't slow down. Don't give up. Don't give in. Keep going. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and getting back to those burpees again. 30 seconds of those, guys. So I will start my timer over there. You want to get down, up, and jump. Down, reach out, and jump. Pulling in your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing. Keep going, and jump, and jump, and jump. Just give me one more. Woo. And jump, and there goes our alarm. We want to remove it off, and we are going to get into the last one, that is a lateral lunge with cross arms. So you want to reach out your arms and lunge. While lunging, cross your arms, and 2, focusing on 10 per leg. Out, give me 2 more, lunge, cross your arms, give me 1 more, lunge, cross your arms, and get back into position. And the other leg, you want to lunge, cross your arms and back, cross and back. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Going, 2 more, and 1 more, and relax it out, guys. Well done. Coming to the end of our workout, guys, and of course we want to stretch it out, beginning with that hamstring stretch. You want to bring one leg forward, the left leg, and reach out with the other leg, and we want to hold this for 30 good seconds per side, feeling that stretch in your legs, in your thighs, in your glutes. They've done an amazing job today, so keep holding it right there. Keep going, pulling in those abs towards the spine, and you want to keep holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up, and the other leg. Pulling in those abs, reaching out and holding it right there for another good 30 seconds. Feeling good about yourself. That was short, but I know it was also intense. I am sweating too much. By the way, I don't sweat on my face. I don't know why. Actually, I know why. The science behind it, but I sweat everywhere else, like my armpits, my back, but not in my face. Keep holding for 3, 2, 1, and get back up. And you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. One more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout, guys. A high five if you made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family on social media. Invite them over to join us in this challenge. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over too. Plus, it means a lot to me when you get to join my growing family over here. So don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so that you receive notifications every time I upload a new video. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in tomorrow's video, and don't forget to love yourself first and keep fit for health. Bye bye. Ooh.